What is up, my beautiful people, and welcome back to another video. Today, as you can read by the title, is a very exciting video. I'm finally going to be doing what every car guy basically does, one of the most pointless but enjoyable mods to do to any vehicle. We are installing a cold air intake. Now, we are going to be installing the AFE Stage 2 cold air intake. So the reason I went with the AFE over the K&N is because for some reason, for my series, my truck, my engine, the K&N series, a few people had complaints of the engine running too lean and rattling, but there was no reports at all with AFE. I'm also not alone as of now. He's gonna be leaving soon, but
once you do it, you'll be
it's been a while.
What's up?
But yeah, I'm gonna be testing out a lot of stuff with my new camera rig. I don't know how much of a difference it's showing right now, but I do have a Pro Mist filter, so the light's a little more bloomy. It looks more dreamy. But gonna get you guys set up, open up the engine bay, and let's get into installing. All right, we got everything unboxed. We got all the hosings, fittings, clamps, instructions, more fittings, and this very big and beefy filter. So with AFE, they claim 52% more airflow, 10 horsepower, and 15 pound-feet of torque. Honestly, I'm mainly doing it just for the sound. People say the sound of this intake is really good with this engine, so I'm gonna give it a shot. But let me read through those instructions real quick and figure this out. Holy nut, guys. It's 12 in the morning now. And it's on. And it looks cool. Don't get me wrong. It looks really cool. Really love the AFE logo right there. But this isn't just an AFE thing. A lot of companies do this. You guys need to get your instructions right, man. This was, one, it was in black and white, which was super, it just makes everything harder to see. And halfway through, the engine changed. It changed to like some V8 engine. I got a V6. But nonetheless, everything's on. They gave you new vacuum lines, which I honestly thought was really cool because it helps, you know, my truck, the engine bay's not the prettiest. When my brother owned it, it was used and abused. But it's on now, all new. And John are coming back from their 7-Eleven run. They showed up just in time so we can hear the engine. Alright, that's the install part of this video. Depending on where we park, the lighting's probably shit, hold on. Okay, depending on where we park over at the gas station, the usual spot we hang out at, I will probably film a cinematic because it's something cool I want to film. Every Friday, Saturday night, we're at that gas station, at least me, John, and Bryce. So I want to film a little cinematic-ish thing of like us hanging out, just like the crew. Let's look at the old intake. Very big and bulky. And then here is the new one. Very slim. They give you new vacuum lines, like I said. I don't think I'm feeling anything. Or I'm kind of feeling air here, but like that's the most like the throttle body allows you to go. And honestly, that might be that's dope. Yeah, that's my fault. That was the radiator. That was the radiator fan. Fans are on, not the intake. But yeah, this thing sounds good. So catch you guys in a little bit. Wawa now.
We should start filming only.
Alright, so what did you get before you fucking finished it, bro?
I got a burger. It's got some cheese on it. Pepper jack.
Pepper jack.
Yeah. Jalapenos.
Yeah.
It's some chipotle sauce.
Chipotle sauce.
Bun fucking dry as hell. I ain't got no drink.
No drinks. Why'd you get no drink, bro? What'd you get? That's
Chicken sandwich.
Yeah.
It got pickles on it.
Oh, John didn't get it.
And allegedly mayo.
Come on. Allegedly mayo?
Allegedly. Check this out. Allegedly mayo.
Dry as hell, huh?
You got a lot of mayo on that, bro. I just got my burger. I got a double. I usually get a single, but I was feeling fat today.
He lying. He been getting doubles the past 3 weeks, bro.
Low key? Yeah.
This shit cooking me right now, I'm not gonna lie. You're still at your mom's place?
Yeah, bro. I didn't hear her say that to me.
Alright guys, so that is the end of this video. Overall, really cool install. Absolutely transformed the way the truck sounds. It is honestly really crazy how it sounds now. But that's the end of this video. I'm going to be trying some new things with editing, blah blah blah, you know what now. And also, if this video does blow up or whatever, you know, does good compared to my normal ones, let me know what you guys think about me doing a print on demand merch. I'm probably gonna do it anyways if it's low cost enough. And I just want you guys to understand that if I do this and I do blow up, I do get more more popular and whatnot, I will not stick with print on demand, because print on demand is usually on the mid to lower tier quality. I don't know exactly, but I assume, considering how cheap it is, it's not the best. But I promise that if I do start this and I do blow up enough, I will switch to higher quality merch. I will try keeping the prices reasonable, because let's be honest, $60 for a t-shirt is not reasonable at all. But I will try keeping it reasonable as possible as I can. So let me know what you guys think about that. Like I said, I'm probably gonna do it anyways to try it out. But thank you guys for watching. I will see you when I see you.